Hey, what's going on, guys? Techno Games HD back with another unboxing with the PS5. I know their videos are a little bit late. It's like 5 birthdays going on this week, so I've been birthday party hopping. So forgive me, but they're gonna come out. If you are enjoying these, like, share, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Helps my little channel grow. And let's get right into this. We're just gonna cut to the chase. PS5. Everyone knows about it. Everyone's excited about it. This is the one that comes with the CD drive. So 8K 4K 20 or 4K 120p, not 120p, 120 FPS, HDR, and that's if you have the corresponding TV. So I'm just gonna take a tour around the box like I usually do. Ooh, if I can get that in there. So pretty bland. There we go. Play like never before. See about that. So now I tell you what, man, this box compared to the Series X is huge, humongous. So forgive me, like, my light is right here and this thing is right up against it, so this is ridiculous. So we're just gonna cut to the chase, get right into this. Has a PlayStation logo on there, white box. Let's get that out the way. This box is huge, man. I can't believe it. The biggest system they've ever made, ever. So put that down. That. There we go, PS5, little directions. Nobody really wants to see that, do they? Like, I'm sorry if it's like all up in the camera, but I didn't really understand how big this was until I got it here in the room. So, power cord. Alright, since this thing is so colossal, I'm just going to put it down and we'll grab a little at a time. So here we go. Here is the DualSense controller. They got rid of the DualShock name. Now, feeling this controller, like compared to like the Series X, it feels like an Xbox controller, which that's a huge plus for me. I was not really a big fan of the PlayStation controller because it did feel a little, I don't know, it felt a little weird in my hand, but I like this. I like this design. The white is pretty sleek. I'm not a huge fan of white, so hopefully they come out with another color, because this is, I can just see this getting dirty really quick. So pretty cool controller though. USB-C. Looks like the new gens are going with USB-C now. So, and then you can see a comparison between the two. It's all, you know, it's got that size. I mean, if anything, the DualSense is a bit bigger. So enough of that. Let's toss that to the side here. HDMI. And here is the stand. Here's the stand for this. I don't know. There we go. And I believe the controller just sits on the side. I might be wrong on that. I haven't really did too much research. I haven't really looked into this. I wanted to be surprised. I didn't want to spoil myself. And of course, PlayStation's infamous charging cords for their controllers. Alright, done with that. Now we're going to get to the good stuff. So we're going to slide this over. Slide that over. We're going to bring this up top. do this. Alright, so they definitely went crazy with the white theme here. Everything is white. Oh, I'm gonna break this thing already. Oh my god, that was cringy. Oh, forgive me. Now, at this point in time, I don't know which way is up or down, so we'll figure that out after we take it out. Oh, so I had it the right way all along. Now look at that. Very futuristic case. That's pretty insane, man. I think it's like 16 inches tall by 4 inches? 4 or 5 inches? I mean... we compare that to the Series X, like, holy moly, man. Now that's rad. That thing is massive. I have to build I'm gonna have to find a place or build a special shelf for that. But I mean, that's a difference of 5 inches. So I think this was almost 16. So crazy, man. Let's move the Series X out the way. And let's tour this. So white on the side, PlayStation logo. Flip it to the back. Finally, PlayStation put some USB ports in the back. PlayStation 4 didn't have that. So it sucked for hard drive users. 2 USBs, Ethernet, HDMI, power cord. And white on this side, and we have the disc tray. So definitely gonna be hooking these up, doing all their updates and stuff. Definitely gonna be doing some gameplay. Like I said, I apologize, haven't been getting to that. It was, you know, birthday parties, including my own. So definitely gonna get around to that. I also got this, so we're gonna definitely be playing some of this Godfall with the new PS5. And then got that, and power cord, HDMI cord, charging cord, and the stand. I believe this is a stand, that could be incorrect. So lots of goodies, and then this is pretty much it. Just wanted to get right down to it. A little excited. Gonna get these hooked up here in a second. I already did the updates for the Series X. Gonna go and do that for the PS5, and then stick around. We're gonna do some gameplay in Godfall, and then some new Series X games that are coming out in the near future. So I know I don't update or upload as fast. Internet isn't as great, so uploads take a while. So please bear with me, and I'm gonna hook this up. I'll put a little clip at the end of where I'm gonna have it oriented. But as of right now, like, share, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed it like I did, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace out.